everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome back to my channel and thank you all so much for being here with me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you join me here on my YouTube. So you guys, we're going to be doing a clear scraps project today using these cute little chipboard memory decks purses, and they are super cute. So let me go ahead and take them out for you so you can see them. Now, Clear Scraps has a ton of different type of memory decks cards. They call them dividers, which that's what they were known for. And but they are memory decks cards that we all just love to go ahead and create different things with, and they're fun for swaps and stuff like that. So these are the purses, and I think that these are adorable. So you have one that is just plain, and you can doll that up however you want. Then here, this one has the little snap up on top, and that is super cute. This one as well has a little handle up on top, and it has the little snap that you can see right there. It's tiny, super cute. So we're going to go ahead and create some really fun little memory decks purses for your swaps or for yourself, whatever you want to do. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to start off, we're going to go ahead and trace around the purses, and you're going to go ahead and pick out whatever pattern paper you would like to adhere onto your chipboard purses, and you're just going to go ahead and trace the top part. If it has a handle, you don't need to trace the handle. You can definitely go ahead and paint that and everything, and I'll show you what I did here in the video. But here I'm just cutting out the traced purse that I just did, and you're going to just do that for all three of your purses. Once you get all your pattern paper cut out and everything, you're going to go ahead and adhere that on top of each of your purses. And here is the first one that I'm doing, and then any excess you're just going to snip off. For this purse, I decided to go ahead and apply some gesso because we're going to go ahead and paint on this and also do a fun technique. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. I am just using some clear gesso on this, but you can use regular gesso as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this paint, and this is like I think it's a sky blue paint is what it's called, and it's just a paint out of my stash, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint this purse. And I went ahead and put about 3 coats on this, so I let it dry, came back in, put another coat over it, let it dry, and then painted over it again. So to prepare my purse, once it's all dried, I went ahead and grabbed my static resist little pad and went ahead and placed it down all over the purse. Grabbed my Versamark and just went over the little top there, the little circles, the clasp, and then poured my gold embossing powder on top of that. And then we're going to go ahead and heat emboss that. So next I'm just grabbing my heat gun, and I'm just going to go ahead and heat that up, and I decided to go ahead and do another coat of the embossing powder on top of it, and go ahead and heat that up. So it is really shiny and really looks good. I really like how this turned out. So I decided to go ahead and bring this layering flower stencil over to the purse and just layer this. And we're going to layer this or lay this on here, and we're going to use our Versamark. So we're going to go ahead and just dab the Versamark on top of the purse all over the flowers. And this is going to go ahead and get all sticky and wet, so be careful and don't put your fingers in it. So you're going to remove it, and you see our little flowers there. And then you're going to go ahead and just apply your embossing powder on top. Now I am using Ranger Platinum Gold
embossing powder, okay? And so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to heat this up. And look how cute these flowers are turning out. I am absolutely loving how this purse is gonna look, and it is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. Just reminds me of one of those kind of designer purses that they have floral patterns on and stuff. And I just think it's super cute. So I hope you guys are liking this because I love it. And then here I decided to go ahead and use some gems that I had in my stash. And these are like a just embellishment, like a flat sticker embellishment with pearls. And so I went ahead and stuck different ones in the middle of each flower. And I just thought that it would be so fun. And I really am loving how this looks. And so I decided to go ahead and finish this off with some little stickers, and just it's so cute. So then I added some stickers to this, and I decided to use that So Chic on here, and I think it fit perfectly because this purse is so chic. Okay, the next thing I did is I came in with that handle, and I went ahead and again placed some Versamark on top of it, used my platinum gold embossing powder, and we're going to go ahead and set that. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my heat tool, and we're going to go ahead and emboss that. And then I come back in and I did a second layer. I really think that doing a second layer, it just adds a little bit more shininess to it. It gives it just a really nice touch. So doing it twice would be okay. Don't worry about it. So if you want to do it again, definitely go ahead and do it. Emboss. You can emboss this twice. So the next thing I'm doing is I am getting some stickers from one of the sticker sheets, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay these down on top of this cute purse. And again, this purse is for summer. I just think it is super cute with the little dress and then the little high heel shoe. I just thought it was super cute. And these purses kind of remind me of summer, and just getting out shopping in the summer, you know. And so I just thought that this was super cute, and I hope you guys are having a good time and getting some wonderful inspiration. So I put some sunglasses in this purse and then a bottle of perfume, and we're going to go ahead and turn that little bit catty wonky, and then we're going to add some little flowers, and we're going to go ahead and add another sentiment. And this is super cute. It says glam girl, and I thought that was super cute. So for our last little Memdex card divider here, I went ahead and used some embossed paper that I traced and then fussy cut out. And then I went ahead and just applied that to the purse. And then for the handle, I went ahead and actually embossed that with gold first, and then I came back over it with some black embossing powder, and I absolutely thought that was beautiful. I loved that kind of shiny, it was like a shiny black kind of look it gave it. It was really pretty, and so I really like how that looked. And then for the decorating on the purse, I wanted it to be like a summer garden theme. So I went ahead and used some of my chipboard pieces that I had in my stash and used this little bee with some flowers and the sentiment wonderful. And that little pink bow really, I think, stands out, especially with the black handle and then the really light green pattern paper that's on it. And I just think it just looks really super cute. So anyway, we are just about done. Once I put this little bee on, we're finished.
Okay, so we are done with these super cute little Memdex purses, and these are super cute. I just love how they turned out. So this one is super cute. It's Glam Girl, and you've got a little perfume in the purse with some sunglasses, and she went shopping. So I really think that this is super cute. And then I added a few little flowers on here just to give it a nice like summer kind of feeling, especially with the sunglasses, So I think that turned out super cute. And then here with this one, we just used Garden Party, and that is super cute. So this is all chipboard, and we went ahead and on here on all the handles, this one I went ahead and used some Princess Gold that is embossing powder by Ranger. And then this one here, I actually did the gold on top first. Then came back in and I sprinkled some black embossing powder on top of it to make a black handle with gold, and I thought that turned out really, really cool. And then the paper, I just went ahead and papered both of these with like an embossed paper that I had in my stash. And then this one here we created, and I really like how this one turned out. It is super cool, and it just reminds me of one of those designer purses that they put gold foil on, and they decorate it with flowers and stuff, and I just thought that was really super cool. And so I put So Chic on it, and I thought that that was super cute and with a little flower. And then we went ahead and did the gold embossing on the little clasp here, and that is super cute. Added some of these cute little adhesive embellishments that I had in my stash, and I really, really like how this turned out. So I hope that you guys liked today's project. Super, super fun. And I'll put the link down below so you could go check these out. And like I said, there are tons of them. There's different ones, different, there's different shapes that you can choose from in the store. So thank you guys again for joining me. Take care, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please head over to Clear Scraps and check out their shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my live shows, 4:30 on Fridays Central Time.